CT. For more information, visit quantumfiber.com. It's Callan Fang into the ball game and delivering strike one. Major League rehabber going one inning. That one floated back toward us and fakes. Pitch with a check swing and an appeal for strike three. But Scherer is going to challenge the check swing call. Eventually. All right. Did he go? Scherer did not.
A good hold there on the check, and Callan Fang was supposed to get his first Florida State League start here this week, but with the
1-2. Breaking ball. Called strike three on the outside corner, and in the end, Scherer strikes out. Seventh strikeout already for Muscle pitching well. Stay in baseball history once again brought to you by Florida Southwestern State College. On this day in 2019, the Fort Myers Miracle that led the way. Royce Lewis was in the lineup. Ryan Jeffers as well. It's off the helmet of Cannon Reeder. Looks like he's okay on a curveball. Royce Lewis in there. Trevor Larnach on. Bottom of the lineup, and it's a bunt that is grabbed there by the third baseman, and the throw goes to first base. Scheduled starters. First pitch is into the dirt, ball one on a curveball to a renowned era. 2-0 is a chopper to J.P. Smith. He spins and fires to second. Quinton back to the bag, and Fang held it! What a double play that was! Score it 3-6-1 to retire the side.
And what a Twin Peaks twin killing that one is. Good feed by JP. Quinton quick on the transfer, but the best of it all there was Fang able to work his way around the bag, get the tap on just in time, and get out of that jam.
All right, Muscles looking to parlay that into some momentum to the bottom of the fifth.
It's from the offenses here after the back-to-back rainout days. First pitch is up and in to Eddie King. 1-0 pitch from Fang. Top of the zone with a slider. It's a ball and a strike. Wind in the pitch home is outside on a curveball, and it's 2-1. It's kind of remarkable we've gone this long without another doubleheader at home. Pitch is outside. A little odd to count that. Pitch is going to miss, and that is ball four here. Leadoff walk to Eddie. Here's Brazoban, and the first pitch to him is in for a strike on a changeup, 0-1. Down low, ball and a strike on Braylon. And Fang with one last inning. It's a wave and a miss on a fastball. It's 1-2. Set to go for the Muscles here later on tonight. Pitch is up high. Throw down to second with the runner going, and Young can't get the tag on. Eddie King Jr. has swiped the base, and there's another man in scoring position on the second. 2-2. Breaking ball, wave and a foul at the curve, or a miss, I should say. Nearly fell out of the batter's box. Thought he got a piece, but that's strikeout number 2 for Fang. Pulls the old Uncle Charlie there, slows it down to 74, and hat trick for Braylon Brazoban, who is first pitch fastball yanked away. It's 1-0. Fang delivers home, skips it, 2-0. So these guys played together for the better part of 10 years, and now there's a ground ball to third. Runner going towards third, and Miguel Briseño doesn't even need to apply the tag. He's out of the baseline. What was that from Eddie King Jr.? Talk about running in. So now a man at first for Brent Iredale. Muscles will take it. It gets the man out of scoring position. And the fifth pitch from Fang on the way home. It's a line drive up the middle, and that's a base hit for Goza. Cuts it off in center and fires on in. Fourth hit for Bradenton. Fang delivers home. First pitch inside on a curve. Fang kicks. He deals home and skips it in. 2 balls. It's a 5-3 Twins advantage. They're closing in on getting back to 500. Pitch. 3-0 pitch as Fang tries to battle back. He dots it for a strike. And the 3-1 is up high, ball 4. Bases loaded on a walk. Second of the inning for lead late here in game 1. Big wave and a miss on a cut fastball. It's 0-1. Jazz deals home. So pop out of play. He's a strike away from getting out of the jam. 0-2. Just misses on a... And he drops one in. It's a curveball. He freezes Shear, and it's his third strikeout. It's the second time he gets Luke Shear looking, and Fang escapes the jam here in the 6th. A hit and the bases left loaded for the Marauders. Another 0 on the board for Muscle pitching. And go to the bottom of the 6th, still no score.